So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Knightron Crypto. So today, as you have seen the thumbnail, I will be making you a complete video regarding the Sui airdrop, and this airdrop you will be clarified whether you have completed the task or not, whether you are qualified for the airdrop or not. I'll be showing you live in this video how you can check that. So if you haven't qualified, you should be doing the task again. I'll be sharing you exactly which task you should be doing and why exactly you haven't qualified also we'll be looking up, and mainly where you should be checking that's the main question, whether you have qualified for the Sui airdrop or not. I'll be also explaining that. So before that, let me share you one important news regarding Sui token, that Sui airdrop is a main token which has two subdivision, that is SuiSwap and also SuiPad. So both airdrop videos I have made regarding SuiSwap and also SuiPad, and the main video regarding the main actual Sui token also I have made. So the thing here is that all three are giving the airdrop, so we need to complete all the three airdrop steps so that we'll be benefited from all these three platforms which are mainly coming from the Sui. So hope you guys have understood this doubt, that Sui has three airdrops together: SuiSwap, SuiPad, and also the main Sui token. So all these are coming together and giving different sub airdrops so that people will be benefited from them. So what we are exactly doing is completing all these steps. So if I go to my YouTube channel, so I have clearly made a video regarding all of that. So firstly, if you haven't completed all the steps here, I have made a clear cut video regarding the Sui token, all the steps it is covered here, and regarding SuiPad also I have made this. So now we'll be moving and checking whether we have qualified for their airdrop or not, whether we have completed their steps or not. We can easily check it out. So what exactly you're going to do is go to your Kiwi browser here. So once you go to the Kiwi browser, I'll be going to my Kiwi browser and telling you all the details. So if you haven't completed, if you haven't qualified, you need not to worry. I'll be sharing you exactly the details how you can complete it. It's very easy, you need not to be afraid of that, and you can easily qualify it if you haven't qualified. So first of all, you need to come to the SuiSwap. So if you haven't done the SuiSwap steps, the SuiSwap steps I have firstly made it in this video, the detailed video. Step 1 is about SuiSwap. So if you come down here, as I have showed you previously, the Sui 15 minutes video, as you can see, the step 1 is regarding SuiSwap, and it's now a different airdrop which is under Sui token itself. So once you come to the SuiSwap, you can just connect your wallet with the Sui wallet itself, and after doing all that, you just come to the Discord channel here. You can see the Discord channel logo here. So once you go to the Discord channel, you should be pressing on accept invite, and after all that thing, you can just check whether you have completed the steps or not. So I'll be showing you how exactly you're going to do that. First of all, you need to verify yourself. Verification is easy, I have done previously. So once you come here, you will be having a verify button here. Mine it's not showing because I have already verified. Once you press on verify, they'll be asking you a simple question, showing you an image, whether it is a bird, whether it is a car or not. You should be selecting the correct one. Once all that it is done, you should come, just scroll down, and you can see Sui points here. You can see Sui points. So once you press on the Sui points, you just need to type as I type. So press on this and press hyper button and press on Sui. So once you press on Sui, you just need to press on Sui, then it will be also already showing you that Sui bot will be, the message will be popping, as you can see, Sui points, Sui swap points. So you just press on that and send a message. Once you press on that, once you send a message, you can click on that link and press on yep. So once you press on that particular link of yours, then you can see the Sui points here. So these points, if you haven't done, if it is showing 0 for you guys, you should be doing the steps again, and I'll be sharing you exactly now which steps you have to do. So you have to complete all these steps so that you will be at least having 1000 points and you will be qualified for this airdrop. So once you do that, so what exactly, you will be going back to the Kiwi browser, and I'll be taking you directly to the website where you should be now focusing on, and I'll be sharing you the steps what you have to do that. So once you come to the website link, I'll be giving you the link again in the Telegram channel. You know that all the links will be provided in our Telegram channel. So once you come there and once you open this link, you can just see the SuiSwap will be opening. So this is for SuiSwap airdrop, and you need to be qualifying for this, then only you will be getting the airdrop. So once you come here, if you check your level, mine is in level 5, so you should be at least in level 3 or level 4, so that your points will be above 1000. So here what you have to do is, you have plenty of tasks here. All these are simple, as I said, these tasks will be simple. So if you press on the quiz button here, some of the basics questions will be asked. I have already completed some of the quiz. You can come, when did the SuiSwap project start, you can just Google it and answer it, and you can do that. So what is SuiSwap points used for? You can just press on that. Exchange sweep happen for the mainnet launch, proof for the answers will be there, easy for you. You can just use your general knowledge. As you can see, this was the correct answer for me. So or else you can just Google it, you can find the answer. So after that, you have Twitter handle here. It is for just following them on Twitter, you will be getting the points. So you can increase the points here, you can boost the points of coming up daily and connecting it. You can invite and earn so many points. Is this for invites also, they are having a huge number of points, 1000 points. And a special you can just check out. If it is open, you can join them, and if you have Twitter and other handles, you can just follow them. So invite link, where exactly it's going to be, here it's here. And once you do all that, then you can again check here, and mainly this is the main task I forgot to tell you at the first. Once you go to your account here, you can see your account section here. So at the top, once you go there, press on account setting, and once you have your account setting here, you can see all the platforms. Mine, it is connected, Twitter, Discord, and the email address. So you have to be connecting all that, and if you have this MetaMask wallet linked by any means, you should be unlinking that. Just press on this minus button, you can see at the right side of each section. So if you press the minus button, it will be taking your what you can say, removing your MetaMask wallet. So then here your Sui wallet address will be empty. So Sui wallet address, what I have to do is go to your Sui wallet, just come here, just enter your password. So once you enter your password, just copy the address here and go back and then paste it over, then press on save. So once you press on save, it will be saving. So this is the important step you have to do, and you can see the quest, everything which is completed will be also shown here. So this is the easy task you have to do. And once you do that, again if you go back to Discord, and again if you type in Sui points, if it is not showing for you the points which is not updated, you can see it will be updated after 24 hours. So you need not to worry about that. You can have these queries, any queries, you can just come here and check it out. Why haven't my SuiSwap point be updated? It will be updating after 24 hours. That is their answer for that. You can wait for 24 hours and still check it. So if you haven't reached the 1000 points or more, you can just do every task, you need not to worry. And this is all in the testnet. People are facing problems, as I have received message, they are facing problems in claiming the faucet. So what I have to do, I said that previously, just download any VPN. So my VPN is Thunder VPN. I will be showing you now also again. So Thunder VPN, you use that, come here and you can easily press on request faucet, and it will be giving you Sui token, so that it will be easy to complete all this steps. So that's all.